Good morning. This is our newsletter for this week, January 7th through the 11th. Specials, nothing has changed about that. Make sure students have tennis shoes on PE days so they don't have to sit out. In math, we are finishing up Module 4, which has been about multiplication and area. When we came back from the break, we did a lot of reviewing, and I was very impressed with what they have retained over our winter break. So we're wrapping this up. This week we're working on area word problems, decomposing rectangles, and on Friday we'll actually take our Module 4 assessment. During math tier time, students are being pulled into small groups to work on skills they still need support with or working on enrichment projects. In science, we're exploring the life cycle of a frog. Yesterday we broke into small groups, and each group had a book about the life cycle of a frog, and then they ordered it into their own words, and we're working on a craft until we get our tadpole, which should be coming soon, and then we'll be able to actually observe the life cycle stages, and hopefully this year our frog actually makes it to be a frog at the end. In reading, this is our week for alternative stories, so it's something that ties into our magnet theme or STEM. So our read aloud is called After the Fall. Our comprehension strategy this week is author's purpose. We're working with words with AR, OR, and ORE in phonics, and for fluency we're practicing accuracy. STEM activity is called Take Flight, where we'll be folding and designing paper airplanes and then testing them down the hallway to see which one flies the farthest, making a change to it and seeing if that change made it fly farther or shorter. See the ELA newsletter, which will go home today for spelling and vocabulary words this week. Our spelling test will be on Friday. Reminders, second 9 weeks report cards were sent home in a sealed envelope on Friday. So if you haven't seen that, check your student's backpack. If you still can't find it, then let me know and we can get another copy of that. But I don't need them back. I don't need them signed, but I just wanted you to know that those went out on Friday. The only important date is happy belated birthday to Krishira. Starting next Monday, Miss Jones, which most of you I think have met or seen her, hopefully heard of her, is our student teacher in our room this semester, and she will start taking over teaching math. I'll still be in the room and helping her with it, but she'll be taking that part of the curriculum over. So students, the expectation though is that students will still come home with homework. The same things that were 4th grade before this point will still be 4th grade. If you have any questions or you need to get a hold of me, please don't hesitate, and have a great week.